guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time you're here, my name is Tara. Last Wednesday, I put out a bonus video you guys absolutely loved. We made mashed potatoes in our Instant Pot. If you missed that video, I will leave a link up in the cards and also in the description box below so you can check it out later. I thought it would be super fun today for us to continue with the Thanksgiving theme and make some incredibly delicious cranberry sauce. We're going to be using our Instant Pot. If you don't have an Instant Pot, you can make it on the stovetop. I will leave complete instructions for both methods as well as a full ingredient list in the description box below. Before we get started, if you have not already, I would love for you to be a part of this community. You do that by hitting the red subscribe button that's right below this video. Sunday, we're going to make some incredibly easy and delicious raspberry bars. These bars are not only extremely delicious, but they're good for you. They're gluten-free, they're vegan. You guys do not want to miss this recipe. Be sure to click the bell icon. That way you're notified each time I post a new video. If you guys are ready to make some incredibly easy and delicious cranberry sauce, then keep on watching.
This recipe is so simple. We're going to start by rinsing our cranberries and removing any damaged ones. Then we're going to add the cranberries to the Instant Pot. Next, we're going to add our orange juice, and then we're going to add our sugar.
I'm using turbinado sugar in this recipe, which is a raw form of cane sugar. If you are doing a low-carb keto diet, then simply replace the turbinado sugar with something like Monkfruit extract or whatever other type of keto-friendly sweetener you prefer.
Then we're going to grab our orange. I didn't have an orange, but I did have this clementine, so I'm just zesting this organic clementine right inside of the pot. Then we're going to grab our lid, make sure the silicone ring is on. We're going to set our Instant Pot to high pressure for 3 minutes. As soon as it's finished, we're going to allow 3 minutes of natural pressure. Then we're going to hit cancel on the Instant Pot and perform a quick release. As soon as the pin drops, it's safe to open. The Instant Pot really makes this so incredibly easy to make this dish. On the stove, it takes about 20 to 25 minutes, and this is so incredibly fast. Next, I'm gonna grab my immersion blender. If you don't have an immersion blender, you can transfer this either to a blender or a food processor or even use a potato masher. I'm just looking to puree it just a little bit. When it gets to the consistency that you prefer, it's time to transfer it to another bowl, and we're going to cover it with plastic wrap and allow it to cool for at least 2 hours in the refrigerator. Then our cranberry sauce will be perfectly set. This dish is so incredibly easy to make, just the right amount of sweetness. You guys are going to absolutely love this.
What did you think of today's video? Drop me a comment below. Let me know either a recipe idea you have, a video series you're interested in. Are you interested in more Instant Pot recipes? Beef, chicken, vegetarian, baking? Let me know. I would love to hear from you. If you liked today's video and you want to see more like it, be sure to hit that like button and share this video on all of your social media platforms with your friends, your family, your coworkers, or anyone else that you know that is interested in healthy but delicious recipes. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.